Take the guesswork out of funding. Research-backed online lender comparison. In the last few years, a number of online lenders have emerged. They are often excellent choices for convenience, decision and funding speed, industries which can't get funding elsewhere, and business owners with less than stellar personal credit. But which are best for your personal circumstances? Turning to the best online lenders for the most available cash, let's look at Lendio. Lendio's Loan Connection service slashes the time it takes for busy small business owners to find the right loan. This is in the form of a vetted network of competitive small business lenders. They have quick funding, sometimes in as little as 24 hours. Submit one application to potentially get offers from a network of over 75 legit business lenders. $500 to $5 million is available. Their requirements are you must operate a business in the U.S. or Canada and must be a citizen of the U.S. or Canada or a permanent resident. You will need a valid business bank account and a 560 or better personal credit score. Must be 18 or older. Find them online at www.lendio.com. How about SmartBiz? SmartBiz Small Business Administration Loans, SBA loans, are government-backed business term loans. These are for business owners who've had difficulty qualifying for other types of financing. SBA loans typically take a lot of time and paperwork, but SmartBiz speeds up that process and makes it less painless. $30,000 to $5 million is available. Their requirements are 650 or better personal credit score for the business owner, U.S. citizen or permanent resident, 2 or more years in business, $50,000 or more in annual revenue, and no outstanding tax liens, no bankruptcies or foreclosures in the past 3 years. Find them online at www.smartbizloans.com. And what about the best online lenders for an early prepayment discount? How about Fora Financial? They have early repayment discounts for qualifying borrowers. There is no minimum credit score requirement. $5,000 to $500,000 is available. Their requirements are 6 or more months in business and monthly revenue of $12,000 or more with no open bankruptcies. Find them online at www.forafinancial.com. Moving on to the best online lenders for multiple financing options, check out LendingTree. LendingTree connects with lenders who offer different types of business loans. The specifics of a loan will vary based on agreement with the specific lender. They offer multiple business financing options in one place, including small business loans, lines of credit, SBA loans, equipment financing, and more. The amount on offer varies by lender and type of financing. Their requirement will vary by lender, but many require good personal credit, a certain minimum time in business, and minimum annual revenue. You must be a U.S. citizen or a permanent resident and will need to provide the business's financial history. Collateral is necessary for certain secured business loans. Find them online at www.lendingtree.com. Let's look at the best online lenders for convenient payments. Check out Fundbox. Fundbox offers fast, automated application processes. You make weekly automatic repayment if there's enough funds in the connected account. $100 to $100,000 is available. Their requirements are no revenue, credit score, or time in business requirements. You must use compatible accounting or invoicing software for at least 3 months, or have had a compatible business bank account for at least 6 months. You must have an established business with regular monthly revenue. Find them online at https://fundbox.com. Now let's check out the best online lenders for peer-to-peer financing with Lending Club. This lender offers access to a client advisor. These are mainly offers of fixed-term small business loans with $5,000 to $300,000 available. Their requirements are 12 or more months in business, $50,000 or more in annual sales, no bankruptcies or tax liens, at least 20% ownership of the business, fair personal credit score or better, and you must be at least 18 years of age. You also have to be either a U.S. citizen or permanent resident or living in the U.S. on a valid long-term visa. You will need a valid bank account and email address and operate primarily in the United States. Find them online at www.lendingclub.com. And finally, let's look at the best online lenders for working capital financing with Fundation. This lender provides business term loans and lines of credit. $20,000 to $500,000 is available. Their requirements are 12 or more months in business, $100,000 or more in revenue per year, 600 or better personal credit score, and you must have 3 or more full-time employees, including the applicant. And you cannot live or operate businesses in North Dakota, South Dakota, or Nevada. Find them online at https://fundation.com. Let's recap. Online lenders offer a myriad of benefits. Choose what works best for you. Speed, low FICO scores, short time in business, or low annual revenues welcome. High amounts on offer, early prepayment discounts, multiple financing options, convenient ways to pay, peer-to-peer lending, or working capital financing. Contact us today to learn more about taking the guesswork out of funding with our research-backed online lender comparison.